Yeah, now it's gonna go away and I'll let you know that the camera's on. That's how it works, man. Nice.
Wait, that's not all.
What? Is that all? Some more. Is it all gone? Jonah's been doing this. He did this before. I was just too late. I was just too late to get it on camera.
Look at that.
It's actually quite funny. He's got like slobber all over the table. Yeah, Jonah. We don't know why this is happening. But it's like he's not doing this on purpose. It doesn't stop. He did this for like 10 minutes straight earlier. It's pretty funny. Yeah, wipe it on my blanket. There's more coming. And Aiden farted. It's not coming. Crap. Jump out! It sure says that. Nice.
That's what Alyssa looked like. What happened to her hair?
Don't ask. No, she just got a dumb haircut. It was pretty messed up, man. So, Jonah, why are you sneezing so much?
Oh, they don't have a picture of Aiden and his mommy.
Shut up!
They must have ate you. Yeah, let's see this before your dad. Hey, come on, let's go.